back to Big Joe's Outdoors. Yesterday, I tried to cook a brisket in my cabinet smoker, and it didn't quite turn out what I wanted or was expecting. I mean, even the wood is still hot. I probably could have left it in overnight and finished it out that way. Could have stuck one extra piece in there, would have cooked all night. But I just grabbed a big chunk of oak. It's kind of cut weird, but it barely fits. It even goes up in the back, so it's kind of high in the rear. We're gonna start it off with some charcoal and we'll get this thing fired up. Of course, this is the same stuff we were using, and I doubt this stuff is gonna be a deal. So we're gonna soak them down like this. Soak it down. There's just gonna be a big ass flame. I'm gonna get it lit and started. This might start it on its own. It's hot. Yeah, it's gonna light it up. Oh well. Let's get this sucker all lit up. Let's get it started, get her started. There we go. And with that burn, shouldn't take long to light. It's been doing pretty good for me. Alright, let's go to the tailgate, show you what I'm doing here. Here's my seasoning mix. We're going to go ahead and wrap this sucker up. So, a few different things in here, mainly cayenne pepper, salt, a few other spices I had in the cabinet, some chili peppers. Really peppery. Whew. This way. And that's be in there. So. There's the roast. This ain't quite ready yet, so we're just gonna let it sit, burn for a few minutes, and then we'll get back to it here in a minute. I'm gonna be setting up my wood rack right here since this is a hard spot to mow. I don't like mowing around these things, so we're gonna work on that today. And I'm gonna drive a T-post in that end when I get time. Some stuff is rolling off. Should give you the idea. I'm gonna stack all my wood up here, and I'll probably put my cooker somewhere as close to here so we don't have to haul wood everywhere. And it looks like our cooker's about ready to go on its own. Most of the coals are white, so it should keep burning when I close it up. Oh, it's heavy. That's a big piece of wood in there. We'll go grab the roast. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna let it sit and do nothing to it. I'm gonna give it all day. If I think it needs more wood, I'll come and put more wood back in it. Any chickens in the front yard? Alright, we'll see you when it's during a check. Yeah, it's the same day, same video, but I had to go jump in the pool today. I was doing some leaf removal, but we're running out of daylight, and I had to crack it open because it really wasn't getting very hot with the slow smoldering it was doing. So we're gonna pull it and hope it's right. Looks okay, but it's still couple 100 degrees. Sticky. I don't believe it's gonna be done. It looks good. Let's see what direction. I'll get you right in here so you can get a good look at this. We'll see how it turned out in the middle. We're just gonna cut it in half. See if we got it, see if we missed it. Cuts easy, so it's tender. Well, it looks good. It's hot, so it's cooked all the way through. I was afraid I was only gonna be able to cook small animals on this thing. This at least tells me I'll be able to do a turkey for Thanksgiving. Probably could have left it unwrapped and then wrapped it, but I wanted to wrap it this go around. So that's what it looks like. No blood. Looks great. So we might have won on this one, but we're still going to try it other ways. At least today it looks like we did a great job. It's good. Definitely better than last time. Alright, let's shut up. Now, we're dripping everywhere, which is going to make the dog happy. But I guess we're going to be eating good tonight. Check it out. See if I can save some of the juices. Should have brought a pan instead of a cutting board. Think she's gonna maul me on the way up there? She looks like she's gonna. She's got that tail going. She's waiting for me. Look at him. Alright. Thanks for watching. Any tips? I'll take them. Tell me what y'all think. It turned out tender. It probably, and I didn't start it first thing in the morning like I wanted to. It was around 11. It's 7 o'clock now, which makes sense for it to be tender. Tastes good. Kind of wish I'd have went ahead and seared it somehow before. Maybe stick it in there when I start the fire when the box is super hot. Maybe crispy up the outside, then take it back out and wrap it. We'll see next time. We'll try that. We'll make that a focus instead of just cooking and trying to. We've accomplished getting it tender, so we did good there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.